Hyundai Tucson 2013 model. High na niya. The high one, ha? High. Start. Ito, may high siya. Lagi ka. Lagi ka. Your hands. Ayun. High. Start. Start high. Meron. There's pan high. Body to ground low. Start. High is the red, and then white is the low, and then black is the ground. The problem is losing. This is losing in socket, and then this is no output low. Okay, this is the diagram. 2030. Tucson AWD. Mojud. And then this one, ha? White is low, red is high. And then body ground is body ground, ha? Okay. Then engine coolant, ground, then trigger. Okay. We are checking the wiring of low fan, ha? Mga sadik yan, yung white line, ha? Going here, ha? The relay. This is good. But when going here up, it's not good. Okay? Going here up, not good. Okay. But from here, starting here, yan, that's good. The cut wire is here. Here, from here, the cut wire from terminal, ha? From terminal, the cut wire. Fan, low relay, ha? And now it's good. The wiring is good, ha? The problem is here, ha? Only. Okay. Up. Connect. Okay, now it's good, the wiring, ha? And then also relay of here. This is the problem also. Okay. Low of radiator fan. This is the low, and this is the high fan. Hyundai Tucson 2013 model, AWD.